ISO 2 Pro and ISO 2 LCD units now support a new feature called batch protocols. On the unit, you can create a batch list of protocols from existing protocols in the unit. Then you can run this batch. All protocols on this batch list will run continuously. This feature requires the firmware version 1.50 or higher. Let me give you a demo. This ISO 2 Pro unit has 149 protocols. To access batch protocols, you will press the protocol key a few times. The protocol key will rotate the display of all protocols, recent protocols, history protocols, and batch protocols. Or you can press the left arrow to go to the main menu and scroll down to number 4, batch protocols. Press the right arrow. Batch protocols has 9 slots, allowing up to 9 protocols. The first step is to select a protocol for each slot of the batch. You can see the small batch cursor on slot number 1. Press the right arrow, then all protocols are listed, and you can select a protocol now using the up and down arrows, or you can enter a protocol number. For example, I want protocol number 115 on this batch slot. Press 1, 1, 5. Then press the Start button to confirm the selection. Now protocol 115 is on the batch number 1 slot. Press the down arrow so the batch cursor is pointing to the batch slot number 2. Press the right arrow. I can use the up and down arrow to select another protocol. I'll select number 6. Press the Start button to confirm the selection. Now press the down arrow so the batch cursor is pointing to the batch slot number 3. Press the right arrow. Now I'll select protocol number 73. Press the Start button to confirm the selection. If you want to modify a batch slot, just move the batch cursor to the slot and select another protocol. If you want to remove a protocol from the batch list, make sure the small batch cursor is pointing to the slot. For example, I want to remove the protocol on slot number 3. So I'll move the batch cursor to slot number 3 and then press the Stop button. This will remove the protocol from the batch list. The protocol is still in the unit. The operation of batch protocol is the same on the ISO 2 LCD.